We're going to be cruising at 9,000 feet today. Conditions in Columbus when we land is about 74 degrees.
Delta Connection would like to welcome you to Columbus, Ohio. The local time is 1:55 p.m.
And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. We're not in Utah no more. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ohio. Now, a couple videos ago, I told you guys I was gonna buy a V12 Ferrari. Well, guess what? We have, and we're gonna go get it right on now. Now, a couple nights ago, I had a realization, an epiphany. I have to buy as many V12 supercars as I can because, guys, in a couple years, V12s are not gonna exist. And just so happens, who knew Ohio is the land of V12s? So we're headed to the Porsche dealership in Ohio to buy a V12 Ferrari. A fun fact that you guys don't know about: Luke used to live in Ohio, used to live in Columbus. Welcome back, baby. Also, we have two special celebrity guest appearances in today's video, and ironically enough, they are very, very late. But per usual, they are dumb and dumber. Baby Burlacker and Johnny Hardbody's Jim. Welcome to Ohio.
We gonna go see a car?
Absolutely. Now, I think most of you guys probably know why we're here in Columbus, Ohio. Of course, the Triple F event is tomorrow. So when I knew I was coming to Ohio, I started looking on Auto Trader, got on cars.com, and I quickly realized there was a Ferrari here that I figured we should buy. And so we bought the car. We wired the money a couple days ago. We're gonna go see it. Now, the problem is 1, 2, 3, 4. Ferraris only have 2 seats. Now, I said I'm buying a Ferrari, but maybe I'm not buying a Ferrari. Maybe we're buying a Porsche 911 Speedster. We also have a Lizard Green GT3 RS. Yes. But I'm looking at the car right now, and I'm very, very, very excited. Check this baby out. We have the Ferrari California T, which obviously we're not buying that. We're definitely not buying a California.
Way to step up your game, bro.
Can you imagine? Well, without further ado, here it is. This is the new Ferrari, and we have Johnny Sharp and Baby Burlacker as our models, our connoisseurs taking off the car covers, and Johnny is awkwardly doing. Nick, maybe you should just do it. Maybe you should take. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. They're waiting long enough. Are we doing it? Let's do it. Let's take it off. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Here she is, the 2018 Ferrari GTC4Lusso. I want an A12 Superfast, but those are trading for like $400,000 or $500,000. This car is a bargain car. It has almost 700 horsepower, front engine, V12, and it has 4 seats for all the homies. I already have an exhaust coming for it, so it sounds decent right now, but soon it's gonna sound incredible. So logistically, we're trying to figure out how to do this. Now, we might be driving the car back to Utah. We might be staying in Columbus. We might be driving to Chicago. We honestly have no idea what we're doing, but unfortunately, Luke is relegated to the back with Johnny, only because Burlacker is a behemoth of a human. Bro, you guys look bougie back there.
Stop. There we go.
That's not bad.
When are we
Okay.
getting Slurpees?
We are not having
Yes,
Slurpees in this.
Slurpees.
We just bought this baby. There are gonna be no Slurpees, but we should
Come
start
on,
this
Dad.
baby up.
Whoa, that's my feet.
Oh,
That's my feet.
yes.
Oh my goodness.
It's not bad. It's not amazing. I already have an exhaust coming soon. There's just something about being in a proper V12 Ferrari right now. This thing is so crazy. This is like by far and away the most luxurious car we've ever had on the entire history of the channel. And the red interior is just glowing. Okay, so like I said, we have absolutely no idea where we're going. We bought this car on a whim per usual. We might go to Chicago, we might stay in Columbus, we might drive back to Utah, but we're staying in Columbus tonight. Are we going left? Are we going right?
We're going right. And do you have AC?
No, we don't have time for AC. We got 7. Oh, okay. We kind of lost it back in right there. I probably should warm up the tires a little bit. This thing is a behemoth. Wow. Also, the sound of this thing is not good. Like a stock V12 Ferrari, this does not sound good. We gotta change this. We just take delivery of a brand new Ferrari, and the first thing out of these guys' mouth, all they're doing is whining and complaining. Such a hard life.
Slurpee, please.
You guys okay? You gonna be all right back there?
I admire them for taking one for the team.
You see, I thought buying a 4-seater Ferrari was gonna be a good idea, but now I realized I got 3 whiners and complainers instead of 1. Dude, this thing rips. It has all-wheel drive, but I think it's rear bias. Obviously, I know nothing about this car because, like I said, 2 days ago, I had no idea I was buying it. We've reached an interesting portion of the vlog. So Burlacker's got to get his monster. I don't actually know how to turn off the car because on the 458, there's a key that you twist off. Do you? Oh,
hey, wait,
Okay, there we go. How long does it take Luke to get out of a Ferrari?
Once you cut the roof off, we'll be fine.
Whoa, hey, hey,
Oh, did I
hey.
speak too soon?
Bro, we're not. How could you say it? Cut that out. All right, see you later. Bro, this is why you don't have a GT3.
Do you know? This is the GT3.
You have a
This is
problem.
going to turn into a G. Oh,
The
wait,
most you can win is $500. All right, on with it.
got the
Let's
wrong
see it. Come on, baby. Come on, big money. Oh, $500. You won. Wait, we don't know how this works?
It's gonna be embarrassing when you have to go back in and ask if you won.
Wait, what did you get?
I don't think I won anything.
All right, well,
This is a
I
scam.
guess. I don't want to sound like a Debbie Downer, but it doesn't sound that good. This sounds so bad. Like, come on, Ferrari. I know there's all these like regulations, EPA, blah, 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 all that nonsense. We got to open this up ASAP though, because right now, it's not impressive.
Let's just go cut it off.
Right now, okay.
Cut it
Should
off.
we go buy a Sawzall right now and just cut it off?
Let's
Yay?
cut it off.
Yes?
Yes.
3 yeses, 4 yeses? All right, we're not gonna do that because, yeah, we just bought it. Well, in one of the weirdest sequences in a vlog ever, we have to do an emergency stop for Burlacker because he spilled barbecue sauce on that lovely polo shirt.
Sorry.
It happened. This is definitely one of the most sketchy things we've ever done in our entire lives. We're in the back of a Kroger parking lot. This is weird. I know it's a weird video. He's a corporate director. His reputation. He's literally gonna go change his clothes behind a railroad truck thingy. Keep going. We can see you, bro. Keep going. Keep going. I think the funniest part about this little sequence, there's literally apartments right there, and this is so weird. What is going on? Can we post this?
This is not getting posted.
This is not making the video. Okay, this is not making the video. So right now, off camera, Burlacker is changing his clothes behind a boxcar, but we can't show it because obviously, well, you know. Oh, he's back and he's looking refreshed. Ladies and gentlemen, new and improved.
I feel like a new person. Laundry's amazing. You know that?
Yeah,
Hey, you
laundry
feel good,
is
but
great.
we're emotionally scarred. Get in the
You
car.
couldn't see me.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, we could. Well, I think most of you guys know where we're at. Welcome to Triple F and the blue Cephas SVJ. So, imagine for a second, I realize this is white, we just bought it, but imagine we paint the GTC4Lusso blue Cephas. The more you know. This place is so absolutely ridiculous, and I don't know how, but Patrick is here in his Taco Bell 720S. We got the Urus right there, we got the Bentley, we have a $4 million McLaren Sabre, just casually, and then we have a very bright green Lamborghini Urus looking so smug, but probably the coolest thing here, we do not want to hit the Tesla. They always say 2 axles is cool, but I would reckon that 3 axles is far, far more impressive. Check that out. The Rezvani 6x6. I can already see the comments being typed away right now. You guys are wondering, why in the world did I buy a GTC4Lusso? It's a bread van. Like, I bought a Ferrari bread van and I'm selling my Urus. It doesn't make any sense, but when I see the Lusso and I see the Urus, it makes sense. It's got a front engine V12. It has all-wheel drive. It's got 4 seats. It's got the coolest interior imaginable. And look at the options list. Every single option imaginable. It's got Pirelli tires. It's got ventilated full electric seats.
Yeah.
Ventilated full electric seats. Is that not exciting? Yeah. Everybody's excited.
What? But
Fully ventilated electric seats.
what? Can Burlacker fit in it?
No.
I never imagined in a million years we would actually convince Nicholas Burlacker to see if he could fit in the boot. You have major claustrophobia. Claustrophobia, wow. Claustrophobia. As if the video couldn't get any more immature or dumber, we have the Maybach bouncing by casually, as you do. Everything just makes sense. How you doing, baby Burlacker? You don't look good. You don't look well. You doing all right? Claustrophobia is this man's biggest fear, but for my video, for my subscribers, he just put him through that as the Maybach just bumps. And bumps and bumps and bumps. You tried to steal my moment! Okay, also, I love how your Maybach is covered in mud.
That's the only
It's the only Maybach in the world covered in mud. This interior is so sick. This is by far and away, like, you think a Rolls Royce Cullinan is cool? Absolutely not. The Maybach is the most plush interior in the entire world. This is so comfy.
accessory pillows.
This pillow is, how is it so soft? That feels so nice on my lower back. We're just bumping, bumping, bumping. Another day here at Triple F. This is so ridiculous. So obviously Maybach made this mode to get out of sand. I don't think anybody's ever actually used it to get out of sand. It's definitely party mode.
My belly's jiggling.
It's like
Sing your song. Sing it.
My money don't jiggle jiggle. It falls.
The video, everybody's clicked away. The video's gone downhill very fast. Well, just like that, we are headed back to home sweet home, aka the hotel. But massive shout out to Triple F. We will see them first thing tomorrow. Now, I have a lot of different ideas for the Lusso. Imagine this car for 1 second. I love this rear 3/4, but imagine a custom wide body kit. So unfortunately, I don't know of any wide body kit in the world for the Lusso or the FF. So I'm thinking we have to make a custom wide body kit. And then imagine this for a split second. Imagine this car with no roof. That's right, baby. Imagine it with no roof whatsoever. Baby Burlacker's hair just blowing in the wind. I'll give you $50,000 if you shave your beard and leave a mustache for 3 weeks.
This is who I am.
$50,000. $50,000. He won't do it. What if I donate it to charity? $50,000 to charity. For the children. For kids.
I love charity's important, but this is who I am.
It
Stay
is.
true to
Honestly, it's a nice
yourself.
beard.
Hey, wrap this up. We need to get some Taco Bell. Let's go.
You are not eating Taco Bell in my brand new Ferrari. In the back seat, we'll all suffocate.
Lettuce, it's fine.
Lettuce. You should see lettuce go through this guy. You know what I'm saying? Not good at all. Well, and I guess on that profound, perhaps poetic bombshell, today's video's over. This is absolutely insane. It is 8 p.m. on a Saturday night, and Taco Bell is closed.
No.
Yo quiero Taco Bell.
Yo quiero, necesito comer.
Oh, okay, thank you. Never mind, they're open.